Alrighty, I got a 2002 Aprilia RSV1000 Mille. I'm gonna try and show you guys how to use the gauge cluster here. A lot of times it's set to kilometers. So what you're gonna want to do is key on, don't start the bike. Hold this first button, A, down for I think it's 10 or 12 seconds. It'll start flashing. And then you press B once, and that gets this side over to miles per hour. Turn the key off. Now we'll go on to the right side of the cluster. What you do here is hold this very last button, D. Hold that in just for 2 seconds. Press. This is the clock. You cannot get it out of 24-hour mode. It's always in military time. The hour's correct for me, so now I have to set the minute. And we're trying to get it to 35. So we go over here to on your controls, and this lap button actually controls that. So hold it down.
And then we'll start moving.
Stop once it gets to 35.
All right. Click it again. Goes to your temperature. Yet again, just click that. Goes on over to Fahrenheit. And you should be all done here. We got that set. You can set your rev limiter by holding down this button for 2 seconds, and you just click it to adjust how high you want to set it, and it goes down on its own. And that should be everything on your cluster.